Have you ever noticed how some entrepreneurs seem unstoppable, while others can't catch a break no matter how hard they try? The truth is, business works a lot like a strategy game. Just like chess, it's not always the strongest or fastest who win. It's the ones who think ahead. Every decision you make is either the easy choice or the effective choice. The difference between success and failure often comes down to how far ahead you can see. That's what Patrick Bet David talks about in your next 5 moves. Let's break it down into 5 moves that can change how you play the game. Move 1. Know yourself. Before you build a business, you need to build clarity. Ask yourself, who do I really want to be? Don't copy someone else's dream. Maybe you want a billion-dollar empire. Or maybe you want a simple business that gives you freedom and $50K a year. Both are fine. But if you aren't honest, envy will creep in. You'll look at others and secretly wish for what they have. Use that feeling as a signal. It's telling you what you truly want. The first step to success is brutal honesty with yourself. Without it, every move you make will feel forced. Move number 2. Learn to process problems. Most entrepreneurs fail not because of lack of ideas, but because they never learn how to process issues. When things go wrong, the easy choice is to blame someone else, get emotional, or go silent. The effective choice is to face it head on. Ask why until you find the root of the problem. Did you lose a client because your product was too expensive? Or was it because they didn't actually need all those features? When you strip away the noise, you'll see patterns. Every decision is either offense or defense. Once you understand that, problem solving stops being overwhelming and becomes manageable. Move number 3. Build the right team. No matter how talented you are, you'll lose if you try to play this game alone. You need people around you who push you, challenge you, and grow with you. But here's the catch. Great people don't just follow. They need a reason to join you. Why should someone choose to work with you? What's in it for them? Equity, growth, impact, something bigger than a paycheck. And once they're in, you need to create a culture of radical honesty. A place where people hold each other accountable, and trust moves everything faster. Remember, the right team is a multiplier. Alone you might go fast, but together you go far. Move number 4. Create a strategy to scale. Working in your business is survival. Working on your business is growth. To scale, you need systems, innovation, sales strategies, and leadership development. Think of it like momentum. When you're disciplined, momentum makes everything easier. But lose it, and everything feels like pushing uphill again. That's why you need to track the right data, cut wasted steps, and speed up execution. And don't forget, markets change, trends shift, competitors adapt. If you're not anticipating and adjusting, your strategy gets stale. Treat every day with urgency, as if you're playing to stay alive in the game. And move number 5, master power plays. At some point, you'll realize business isn't just about products, it's about power. One major power move is controlling your story. If you don't define who you are, the world will decide for you. Share your vision openly. Don't hide your beliefs. Don't be afraid of judgment. Another power play is eliminating noise. If friends, family, or habits are pulling you down, cut them off. You don't have the luxury of endless distractions. And finally, build leverage. Options are power. The more choices you have, the stronger you are. But the best way to gain leverage is to serve others first. When you make other people's lives better, opportunities and influence naturally come back to you. Being an entrepreneur means constantly reinventing yourself. Every time you level up, you'll face new problems, and you'll need to plan your next 5 moves all over again. It never gets easier, but it does get clearer. If this game matters to you, you'll keep playing, keep learning, and keep growing. Because entrepreneurs are the real problem solvers and builders of our world.